Hey guys, Derek here, the EZLYNK. We got another feature here to discuss with you guys about. This is our vehicle handover function that we have. So this is where if you've got a vehicle that you've sold to a buddy and you've got information on that truck that you want to give to him, such as data logs, calibrations, whatever it may be, you can give those files and that information to him via the app. So one thing people don't know is the auto agent is not VIN locked to the vehicles. You can pass around to your buddy's truck, your mom's SUV, your sister's car, whatever it may be, nor are the calibrations locked to that auto agent or even that that user. So we're in the auto agent app. We've got the vehicle that we want to hand the vehicle over to. You can go into the other vehicles and hand over any other vehicles that you want. But we're going to go in and show you what it looks like on the 21 Duramax. We're going to go over on the bottom, just hand vehicle over. We're going to send the put the email address that we want that information to be tied to with that new user. We'll hit next. Any specific messages we want to include, we can include it there, send them a text message saying that it has been changed, and then the phone number that we want to send it to. Then we got the vehicle information, and we will confirm. So at that point, you can see, oh, I just cleared a vehicle. The confirmation was sent, and we just got a text. So what we can do is we can go into our messages, see that a handover has been linked back to us. We're going to go in and accept it. So we've got it all logged in. We've already got the app installed. We're going to go back to the app. We're actually going to sign out of this account. Now we're going to go to the account that we had just sent the handover to. We're going to log in, and we'll get this puppy logged in. Then at that point, we should have vehicles and waiting to accept. And we do want to accept. And now the vehicle has been linked to my information, which is maybe a new buyer of the vehicle or even a diesel repair shop. Let's just say you've got a truck that you're taking to a diesel mechanic and he has to update the ECM. You can hand your vehicle over to his account. He can update the ECM, do whatever he needs, and then he's in control of it, so he can data log on it, keep that information in that account, and then when he's done, put calibrations back into the vehicle, whatever it may be, and then at that point, he can send it back to the owner of the vehicle. So it's a very useful tool to have and to use. We get the questions a lot of people are saying that they bought a vehicle and it had certain things in there that they wanted and it's not there anymore. Unfortunately, we can't help you with that. You got to contact the previous owner of the vehicle. So be sure to utilize this function if you're getting rid of vehicles, taking them to dealerships or to repair shops. It's a valuable tool to have. So stay tuned for more, guys. Thanks.